Hey friends, welcome back. This is part 2 of me decluttering and organizing the girls' playroom. If you missed part 1, I'm gonna link it right here. You can go ahead and watch it, and then you can come back and watch this, or you can watch it afterwards. I don't know, if you missed part 1, I'm gonna link it right here. You can go ahead and watch it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now let's go ahead and continue tackling our messes together.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. A nice road to feel. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody.
If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy seeing the transformation as much as I enjoyed completing it. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous day. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Don't forget to check out part 1 of me decluttering the playroom. And if you haven't yet, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Love y'all. Okay guys, so everything you see on the kitchen floor right now will be trash, or is going in the trash, including all the magazines, the trash bag, the box, everything. These are all trash minus the girls' table right there, but everything else is trash.